common reactions of metals. Let us now learn about the chemical properties of metals and nonmetals, which include the reaction of metals with oxygen, water, acids, and metal salts. Reaction of metals with water. Metals react with water to form metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Some metal oxides are soluble in water. These metal oxides, on reacting with one or more water molecules, form metal hydroxides. The reaction of metals with water is from metal to metal. Some metals react with cold water, others with hot water, while some react only with steam. There are also metals that do not even react with steam. Let us consider the reaction of sodium with water. Sodium reacts explosively with cold water, resulting in the formation of sodium hydroxide. The reaction is exothermic, with the evolution of hydrogen gas that catches fire. The reaction is as follows. Metals such as iron react neither with cold water nor hot water. However, they react with steam to give their respective oxides and hydrogen gas. Reaction of metals with acid. Metals react with acid to give salt and hydrogen gas. The general equation for the process can be represented as follows. For example, on adding sodium salt to hydrochloric acid, a white precipitate of sodium chloride and hydrogen gas are formed. The given experiment shows the reaction of zinc with hydrochloric acid. Zinc, on reacting with dilute hydrochloric acid, gives zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Metals, on reacting with nitric acid, do not evolve hydrogen gas. This is because nitric acid acts as an oxidizing agent and oxidizes hydrogen gas produced in the reaction to form water. Metals such as gold and silver, which are less reactive, do not react with acids. Reaction of metals with oxygen. Metals combine with oxygen to form metal oxides. The general reaction for the process is as follows. For example, aluminium, on heating in air, reacts with oxygen present in the air to form aluminium oxide. Metals like sodium react with oxygen at room temperature. Metals like zinc, magnesium do not react with oxygen at room temperature. They require very strong heating. Silver and gold do not react with oxygen. Reaction of metals with other metal salts. Metals that are more reactive can displace the less reactive metals from their salts in a solution or molten form. The general equation for such reactions is given as follows. For example, iron can replace copper from copper sulfate solution, but copper cannot replace iron from iron 2 sulfate solution. When an iron nail is kept in a copper sulfate solution, the intensity of copper sulfate solution decreases and the iron nail gets covered with copper. Reactivity series. The reactivity series consists of various metals arranged in the order of their decreasing reactivity. The metals present above hydrogen are more reactive and can displace it from acids to liberate hydrogen gas. The metals present below hydrogen are less reactive and cannot displace it from acids to liberate hydrogen gas.